This is how to filter performance report with REGEX in Google Search Console. From your dashboard, select domain property, and you can see here performance. Click full report, then click add filter, choose query, then select this drop-down menu and choose custom regex. Then you can also match regex or doesn't match. So for instance, we will enter a regular expression and let's say the query includes how to and just click apply. Now I have how to queries from this custom regex. You can also sort numbers by adding a number. So let's close this one. Let's add a filter, query, custom regex, and we will add a regular expression. So let's say 0 to 9. And let's hit apply. And I have number here included in my top queries. So this is how to filter performance report with regex in Google Search Console.